Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share how you can easily create a YouTube banner for your channel. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. Alright, head over to Canva and click on Create a Design. Search for a YouTube banner and click on the first one. On the left hand side, you'll see multiple designs to choose from. Pick the one you like. Now everything is editable. Just click on any of the elements and start customizing. You can also delete the existing background and add a new one. On the Elements tab, you can find different shapes and graphics. You can also search for photos. Also, if you want, you can upload your files. You can also add multiple text boxes. Now I'll quickly customize the banner. Once you are happy with it, you can save it on your computer system. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.